Welcome back to the Gardening with Joey and Holly radio show. Time for your questions, our answers. You can submit your question by giving us a call at 1-800-927-SHOW. That's 1-800-927-SHOW. Or if you'd like to submit it via email, you can do that through gardentalkradio@gmail.com. That's gardentalkradio@gmail.com, Holly.
Yeah, so our first question is, I'm looking to make raised beds for the sides. Would plywood work, or it is large? I can cut it to the size I needed.
Plywood would not be a good material to use for construction of raised beds because it is a multi material. It's glued together, and when water gets on this plywood, it blows apart like a sponge. Now, if you want to invest maybe in like marine grade plywood, which is more, there's many more. It's more waterproof. You could do that. However, investing in like 2x10s or 1-inch 1x4s or 1x8s or something like that is a much more better way to go, because you will pay a little bit more up front this year, but you're not going to have to repair the bed year after year, and that glue can leach into the soil, and the whole thing is a big mess. But plywood, no, not for raised beds. Got time for one more.
So Chris asks, I just found out about the straw bale planting. Is it advisable to plant potatoes in a straw bale? Is there an issue with the sunlight turning the spuds green? You can grow potatoes in the straw bale after you condition the bale, but they do not do very well. And so that's something to keep in mind. You could do something like a container or something else if you don't want to grow on the ground.
You can do a no-till like we did. You plant it basically on top of the ground and then cover it with straw or yard debris, and that works very well. If you do it in the bale, you're gonna have to bust the bale apart to dig the potatoes out. They don't turn green, but the production is just not to the level of what the author of the Straw Bale Garden book, Joel Karsten, thought they should. He's had some people that said great success, others said no. So it's kind of a hit and miss when it comes to the potatoes in the straw bale.
But with that being said, other root crops do
very well, yes.
Yeah, so that's a good thing to keep in mind.
Hey there, gardeners. Thanks for checking out this segment of the Gardening with Joey and Holly radio show. If you like what you've seen, you can search through the channel and find full in-studio videos of the entire show. If you want to go another route, you can search for it on your favorite podcast platform by searching the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener radio show or the Gardening with Joey and Holly radio show, and you can download it and take it with you. You can check out all past seasons at our website, thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com, under the radio tabs at the top of the page. We thank you for joining us. We hope you've learned and enjoyed the show, the segment, and we'll see you next time.